So now let's upload our first product as a food vendor on Kasoowa. We already picked single product. Then we scroll down. You're uploading rubber custard of egusi. So we'll put it here. Put the name. Then we'll add description. And it's very easy to get this detailed description from ChatGPT. All you need to do is you can actually, after snapping your product, you can just take it to ChatGPT, ask it to write you a short description, and you will get something that you can just copy straight and take it over to Kasoowa to upload your product. Now let's the next thing to pick category, melon seeds. Where was it for? Vegetable now. Grains. Let's just pick grains and cereals. Grains, yeah. Just pick grains. Then product number 2, 003, 002. Now down to the image. Ensure your image doesn't have phone number, email address, or your social media handle. It won't accept it. So let's go. Let's pick the product, and that's it. And let's go. The site will scan the product. Then you can add up to 8 products. Let's say we'll add another product here. Oh, let's just leave it. Let's just leave it like that. Let's leave it. So let's go. We're done with that. It's advisable not to add video if you're uploading an image. So let's go. Variants, if you want to add, which has to be size, color, and other options. So let's leave that. So now the price, it costs a rubber of egusi. Let's say it's actually 15,000. Then you want, okay, let's see, you have this, or let's say 18,000. Stock, let's say we have 10 custard rubbers pieces. I have them in pieces, right? Then let's go. You can put them on the discount, or you can leave it. Then the weight, you can add weight to help in terms of delivery. Calculation for delivery, let's say 2.5 kg or 2 kg, 2 kg. Or location, you can put I'm picking Rukwaku, Port Harcourt, River State. So let's go. Special tag. This part is also very important. It's very important. You always include it on when adding. So you could see both the south, east. It doesn't have a specified region. Everybody eats egusi. Now let's go over to the category, healthy food. Egusi is a healthy food. Target age group. Let's go. You can also leave it because even children can eat it. But let's say adults. Okay, so this section actually helps to specify the kind of your audience. Let me put it that way. So if the food is healthy, it's for children, it's good to specify it. So when someone is shopping, it will actually show that this product is meant for them. If the product is healthy for diabetic patients, it also show is it diabetic friendly, low carbs, healthy food, is it organic. So all this stuff is very important when uploading your product, so it will identify who the product are for and the age bracket. Because so when you down here, you click here, feature, you on the home page. So you click there, turn it on, then you're done. So you scroll back and cross check everything before you make it come live. So you see the write up, you ensure that every detail are actually correct. Now you go back to the top, then you click on this save products, and immediately you do that, the site automatically save your product. So that's how to actually save your product. So you can actually view your product. Now let's click on it. Let's view products. Wow, you can see how beautiful it is. So that's how to actually upload your product. Let's go back. Let me show you something real quick. I want to show you something. So if you click here, you can actually view your products after uploading. You can edit the product. You can boost the product. Yes, you can hide from marketplace. So take for example, the product is out of stock. You can hide it. You can boost so it will be visible to more customers. Yes, you can edit if you made a mistake. by yourself. So it gives you that platform, that opportunity to do all this, unlike other platforms. So that's the steps on how to upload your product on Kasoowa.com. So you can also delete the product if you don't like it or you don't want it on your page or your account any longer. So you can delete it as well. So that's it. So you can visit your homepage. So let's say we want to go back to products. Now you are a vendor, you can only view your own product. So if you switch back to your personal account, if you switch to your personal account, you can now